My name's John. I work for Qualcomm. This is everything we've been doing for the last 12 months. We created several apps internally and we're showcasing them. And we've also created a worklearnmobile.org website to share and have everyone else who's in the community of mobile learning to share, collaborate, and communicate with each other on their efforts and the things that they're doing. So we're putting resources there and making them available to people. But we want other people to come and contribute as well. But what we're also showing here is a lot of our examples of apps that we've already built for our employees internally.
And any apps with voice recognition or with accelerated learning?
Sorry, say that again?
With voice recognition? Or is any apps which is have voice recognition engine?
Not necessarily, but it also wouldn't be too hard to do. For example, one of our apps that I'm looking at right now is called Qmaps. It probably would not be too difficult to institute. Well, actually, it might even work right now. We can try it and see. Building N. See if that works. Because it's going to use the built-in voice mechanism that's already there within the phone. So if it can pick it up, it's really crowded and loud in here, so we'll see if it even works. But the idea is the voice part, for doing what I just showed you, is actually already there. If you go to build an app or whatever, because it's built into the OS.
Okay.
But if you want to do other specialties, so I said building N, and it came up with building and. That's okay though, because it's loud, it's crazy in here, so that to me is already pretty good.
And what's the functionality? It's what for?
This particular app is called Qmaps. It's for Qualcomm Maps. We have buildings, as you can see. That's our San Diego campus with all of our buildings. So many times people just want to know how to get from one building to the other building, and they don't know how. Or they want to find out when the shuttle's running, the route, between the buildings. So they can pull up the shuttle information here as well. They can call a shuttle. So this is more about getting an employee through their day. Like if we can eliminate some of the things that slow you up during the day, that just encumber your workday, we can eliminate that. It makes you more productive.
What about licensing for such a platform?
I'm sorry?
About licensing of such a platform.
This is just internal. We can talk about how we can show you how to do it, but it's not a money thing for us. Like we're not trying to sell anything. We're a user just like any other person or a company that's here at the show,
This is for creating community or developers of Learning Cloud.
So we built this internally with a team of about 8 people. And we have several apps that you'll see as they float by. A lot of them are web apps that we're just doing directly in the web browser. You can see. So I'll go ahead and go. So this is an example of this is our app store for Qualcomm employees. And these are all the apps we've created. What you see in here is some that are web apps and some that are native, either Android or iOS, it just depends. Most of them are web app. These are all apps that we're making available. Some are what I might call traditional learning. You're going to get, not like a course per se, but you're going to get information and learn. Some of the apps are things that just sort of help you, again, get through your day, like Qmaps or the Perks app that we have. You can pay for your drink at our internal coffee shop, that kind of thing.